That tape, no man not rape.
When you see the girl there, no hold on. Lower no, the drape up. Hey, let her go. Nobody fi boom 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 boom. I coulda never done a raper.
In a day, club place me from and rule in a support no raper man no.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, from morning me I tried that video here, but me just can't come to terms of doing this video. Because this video is so horrific. That the word? It's just terrible. And it's like, me don't know how to approach it. You see me? So this young lady goes by the name Khanice Jackson. She's an accountant. She's just 20 years old. And then find her body this morning. Well, Friday. I don't know when me I upload a video here. If it's the Saturday or the Friday. But them find her body Friday morning. In a partially decomposed. You see me? She was missing from Wednesday. And then find her body the Friday. Now, them all a 50-year-old person. 50, you know. The hombre goes by the name Bakra. I'm not sure I'm right name, and me never to call him name neither. Because the police them carry me and I'm a vex. Because the boy they forget hanging tree. Straight hanging tree. Now the whole of Jamaica upset, you know. Whole of Jamaica upset, and me I tell you, I'm not doing this video for a like. Me not do that video for a comment. Me not do it for a share. Me not do it for no gains. Right? Me just literally tired of it. We don't know Chaddy Marie TV go to work. We don't normally cover them dead story and them rare. But it have to come a point where we have to stand up. Last year, it was Jasmine Dean. What year? I did Shanika Skyers. One little long time it was Ananda Dean. And me can't talk about female children we get dead by them. Them are what kind of man? Me don't know them are what kind of man. You see me? And sometimes we go up on a rant and the whole of social media, artists and everybody forward and say, yo, them for dead and them for dead and them for this and them for that. And then next 2 weeks is like we no member. Not even next week. Cause those social media go on. It's like the next episode where they right around the corner, we no member. And it's like we stray away from that topic here. And then boy, yeah, feel like say, them can't just do anything them want. Hey boy, me telling you this.
The last them, the gas them, the tire. Jungle justice, the machine on fire.
Yo, me tired of it now. Me tired of it. And me can say the whole of social media feel away. Because we have reactions from Popcaan. We have reactions from TG. A matter of fact, the whole of dancehall. We have reactions from. We are going to play Popcaan reaction and hear what Popcaan have to say. And some little boy grown, it look like say Popcaan attack truth and it kind of bun them on a certain way. Them go report the man video and the man video get deleted. Let me telling you this, you know. We are going to shubu no out. But make we hear what Popcaan have to say.
Yo. How this massive on the internet, dog? Yo. I'm telling you this straight in a youth. All I want to look up bumble rapist out of road in a pussy. I line up my own squad for Anthony in a bumble. I find out so I love a man, you know. Me did ask the government previously for hang someone up on the blood clock like half a tree, you know. I set an example out of someone who look a stinking boy, you know. When I respect a man, you know. I feel like woman pussy we got birth them with a phone. So they can just hold woman and take. Hey boy. Hey man, I start find someone in a pussy. Oh, I'm telling you, you know how much girl in the take when I rape boy a youth. And nothing to come out of it. How long this a go on for? How buckler longer? How much longer it a go on for? Right now, me and my artist brother them we need to call a meeting, you know. Yeah man. Cause them thing a joke buckler thing, dog. Joke thing. I'm telling you, who are going to protect the woman them? Who are going to protect the woman them at Jamaica? And all over the world. But some man just see and take what they want from them. Pussy, you know, for rest in a pieces. You feel like me I put up my blood clot girl and talk about R.I.P. Yo, I rapist them to get R.I.P. and be rest in pieces. That them pussy they deserve, dog. Chop them up fine. To you. I mean, I tell my government, you know, respectfully, you know. Starting them bomba hole in a man. Yeah, man, right now.
Raper boy, dead them be dead. Pedophile, dead them be dead. Child molester, dead them be dead. One of them be like we dead.
After that video that Popcaan made, I burn out them, you know, them people when you not support over here. So Popcaan got straight in at the studio and do that song here. Now, I like the song and everything. And this is what I go say. I'm not talking Popcaan in particular, but I don't want this something just raise up and then everybody see this as an opportunity for make a money or for find a hit song and people. I'm not talking about Popcaan because this is not the first Popcaan I run out and I burn them raper boy. But me no want other dancehall artists them feel like say yo them can forward and come create come make a hit song off of that topic. No, we want to be sincere. And I don't have a problem if the dancehall artists them condone it, you know understand what me I say. But me just don't want them use it as a selling point, as an opportunity to get a hit song. Cause me see a couple artists out there where them not have a hit song, them can't find a song, but yet still them go some booms and run pan that topic here. Hoping say it a go hit. Want it be so sincere. I'm out of mind. Everybody will do a song like this. I burn out them raper boy forward and say yo, this is what we're going to do. We are going to create a fund. We are going to use back the income in a something positive to help the females them, especially some of these victims of these horrible crime. You get what me I say? I just don't want to do it because I do it sake. I want to do it out on the heart. I don't want to drop that flame here. I want to continue that flame here and burn it out straight. I have to big up the Jamaican people, them see them, I see everybody a rally around that situation and everybody a burn them out. But me just don't want to burn them out for your hype. I want to burn them out for real. Because me a tell you, me sit back and me a watch. And we a burn them out. You get what me I say? Me personally, I burn them out. Any boy we rape no people, girl pitney, they can't come near me. Any boy we kill no woman who can't come near me. You get what me I say? And the settings them depend. You see me? And CVM, I like how you do anything, you see me? You shed a different light on that topic. Yeah. Big up on yourself. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Alright? And please, don't make me repeat this again another couple of years. Like said, fresh. Last year, Jasmine Dean body missing. We don't know if she dead yet. Because we don't find nobody nor nothing. That's the last year she missing. Get what me I say? I'm out.